Today's video, a little bit of Mark 1 content. We get a little update on my Doll Man's project. Here we go. Alright, he's got the brake booster in there. Yep. Engine bay's already painted, ready to rock. Just need a motor. Some garbage need to be removed.
Put a reservoir down here. I gotta do all that.
Yeah, but that's where we're at with it. Alright, here we have some parts for the Mark 1. This is what the old man's been working on. Got a Mark 4 intake that's been ported and polished. Looking real crispy. Looking real crispy. We got a ported and polished AVA cylinder head here. Might lose some lifters. Again, looking real crispy. Had to turn the flash on. That's what the old man's cylinder head looking like. Alright, so here's the block for the Mark 1. He's already got lightweight alternator pulley, tensioner pulley, lightweight timing crank pulley, and then lightweight billet crankshaft pulley. He's gonna have to get him a new intermediate shaft pulley, but also has the USRT shift kit he's going to be getting for the Mark 1 as well. And then with different tires, he's going to throw the circuit performance wheels on there. Old Cabrio getting put to good use. Stay tuned.